Tonight is Friday, April 21st, 2023. I am here at Reynolds Yacht Center, and this is going to be a quick before video of Dream On. The customer had some concerns that we were out here about a week and a half ago, and the waterline had barnacles on it. Speaking with the customer, he had main concerns at the bow of the boat for the barnacles. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick before video of the whole waterline and see if we can find any of those. I didn't see any barnacles, but I do see that there is still a little bit of hair growth. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a bit and then get a nice after video of it.